How to open an Instagram DM without actually opening it. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can open an Instagram DM without actually opening it. So for that, first of all, you have to click on Instagram. And you can see that I've received this message, but I don't want to open it unless and until but I don't want to show them that I opened it. You can either go to your settings and turn off your scene, but for that you will not also be able to see other people's scene. So in order to avoid that, what you can do is go and search for their account on in the search bar and click on that. Now here you have to click on these three dots and then click on restrict account. After restricting, just click on restrict button, and after you have restricted their account, when you click on message, they will not be able to see that you have viewed their message, but you have actually viewed that. And once you're done with that, you can just go and then click unrestrict, and the account will be unrestricted. So that is how you can open an Instagram DM without actually opening it.